Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic ecological succession. Ecological succession, the progressive change in the species composition of an ecosystem. Okay, what is ecological succession? Ecological succession is the observed process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over a period of time. Okay, what is ecological succession? Ecological succession, ecosystems are constantly changing. Ecological succession is a gradual process of change and replacement of the type of species in a community. Each new community makes it harder for previous community to survive. Types of ecological succession. There are two main types of ecological succession: primary succession and secondary succession. First, primary succession. It is the process of creating life in an area where no life existed earlier. Primary succession, an example of an area in which a community has never lived before. Would be a new lava or rock from a volcano that makes a new islands. Begins in a place without any soil, like sites of volcanoes, landslides and flooding. Starts with the arrival of living things such as lichen that do not need any soil to survive. They are called pioneer species. Primary succession, which lichens dies, they decompose, adding a small amount of organic matter to the rock to make soil. And simple plants like mosses and ferns can grow on this new soil. The simple plants dies, adding more organic materials. The soil layer thickens and grasses and other plants begins to take over. And these plants dies and they add more nutrients to the soil. Shrubs and trees can survive on this soil. Now, insects, small birds and mammals can now begin to move in. What is earlier only bare rocks now supports a variety of life. Primary succession is seen these plates: mosses, shrubs, herbs, tree and climate condition shown these plates. Secondary succession. Secondary succession is the process of re-stabilization that follows a disturbance in an area where life has formed an ecosystem. Secondary succession occurs on a surface where an ecosystem has previously existed. It is the process by which one community replaces another community which has been partially or totally destroyed, maybe by natural processes such as floods, earthquake, etc. When an exciting community has been declared by any types of disturbance such as fire, cyclones, etc., and the soil remains intact, the area begins to return to its naturally community. Because these habitats previously supported life, secondary succession begins. Threats of succession. But without these intermediate stages, The disturbed habitats cannot return to forest. How do human affects ecological succession? Clearly, the land for garden and preparing the soil for planting is a type of major external events that radically restructures and disrupt a previously established ecosystem. This disturbance may immediately begins a process of ecological succession. Does ecological succession ever stops? Over a long period of time, the climate conditions of an ecosystem is bound to changes. No ecosystem has existed or will remains unchanged over a geological time scale. Thank you.